Hello patrons, today's video is entitled Unspoken Thoughts, and that was something my mother used to always say. Please have some unspoken thoughts, because the truth is we don't want to blurt out everything that's in our heart, everything that's in our head, because later we might really regret that. Another thing is it gives you time when you don't say what you're thinking. It gives you time to really analyze, because most of the time unspoken thoughts have to do with others. You know, we're judging quickly, we're saying things we shouldn't say. So I want you to take the time. In this modern society, it's not something that happens. Everyone wants to be heard and wants to be heard now, and everyone's thought is the most important thought. But instead, I want you to take the time to reflect on your thoughts and to listen a little more carefully, and really don't override what someone's saying with your thoughts. So stop your thoughts, let that person say something, think about what they're saying, really listen, and then keep your thoughts to yourself. Keep your thoughts to yourself. Have some unspoken thoughts. Not only will it make you kinder, it'll make you more intriguing, because when you do say something, it'll be more powerful. So today, that's what I want you to think about, and I'd love for you to teach this to your children, because children today are taught to defend themselves immediately. I mean, they're not taught by you this, but it sort of happens in our society. Everyone is speaking out, and you can look at our young leaders and see this. This is what's happening. We're saying exactly what we think without really having time to reflect, measure, study, investigate. So don't just allow your children to have unspoken thoughts or to say a nasty thing about a sibling or anything like that. You tell them, you know what, it's true, I can't take away your feelings. If those are your feelings, those are legitimate, but keep your thoughts about it to yourself for a little while. Think about it, pray about it before you say something mean to someone else, or even not mean, but maybe unthoughtful. Maybe that other person might be offended by that and you don't even realize it. So be very careful to have unspoken thoughts. I know this is a really short video today, but I think it's a very powerful video. I try also to have unspoken thoughts. So when somebody makes a comment, I have to think about it for a bit. I have to look at it on the Patreon videos before I answer back. I have to think about it for a bit and then give the answer. A lot of times when we're having live conversation on YouTube, people will say something and I'm really not saying what I'm thinking. I'm holding back. I'm thinking an unspoken thought until I can have time to really click that in. And a lot of times I'll make a Patreon video about it. So if you're a Patreon, you'll know, because it gives me time to think about it. So I want you to take the time to think your thoughts. Those are perfectly legitimate. Your feelings are perfectly legitimate. But I want you to take the time to really measure out what you're going to say. Be careful and don't hurt other people's feelings. All right, that's it for today. I hope that you have a fabulous day, patrons. Chew on this one, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.